Welcome to the Data Engineering Roadmap tutorial. In this power-packed video, we will embark on an exhilarating journey through the world of data engineering. From data ingestion to processing, from storage to analysis, we will uncover the secrets of building robust and scalable data pipelines. Get ready to dive deep into the tools, techniques, and best practices that will empower you to harness the full potential of data. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, this roadmap will guide you in a step-by-step way towards mastering the art of transforming raw data into valuable insights. So, fasten up your seatbelts and let's unlock the true power of data engineering. But what does it take to become a successful data engineer? What are the skills and technologies you should master to excel in this ever-evolving field? Fear not. With the help of the MindMajix Azure Data Engineering Certification training, you can get ready to embark on this inspired journey. Open your mind to the possibilities, unleash your creativity, and join us as we unlock the full potential of data engineering. Get ready to become an architect of the digital future. In this online training program, you will go through a transformative journey, equipping you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel as an Azure data engineer. From data ingestion and integration to data warehousing, ETL pipelines, and advanced analytics, we will explore the critical pillars of data engineering landscapes. You will learn from the seasoned industry experts who have mastered the art of managing massive datasets, implementing scalable architectures, and optimizing performance. Their invaluable experiences will guide you towards becoming a data engineer maestro. From cloud platforms like Azure to programming languages like Python and SQL, we will cover the essential tools and technologies that empower data engineers to turn raw data into actionable insights. So, get ready to unlock the power of data engineering and become a catalyst for change. So, if these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then head straight to our channel, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss an update from MindMajix. That said, let's quickly dive into the perfect roadmap for becoming a data engineer. We will begin by discussing the agenda for today's session. In today's session, we will discuss why to become a data engineer, what exactly is data engineering, how to become a data engineer, prerequisites and skills to become a data engineer, steps to become a data engineer, firms dependent on data engineering, salary of a data engineer, companies hiring data engineers, and finally, if you want to become a data engineer, then how could MindMajix help you? Having said that, let's get started. First, why become a data engineer in 2023? Becoming a data engineer offers you numerous compelling reasons. Firstly, it allows you to play a pivotal role in transforming raw data into meaningful insights, empowering organizations to make data-driven decisions. Secondly, the increasing demand for data-driven solutions open up world of career opportunities. Thirdly, as a data engineer, you can work with cutting-edge technologies and data processing, storage, and analysis expertise. Overall, being a data engineer combines intellectual stimulation, career growth, and a chance to shape the future of data-driven innovation. Proceeding ahead, let's understand what exactly is data engineering. Well, in layman terms, data engineering involves the process of collecting, organizing, and transforming data so that it can be effectively analyzed and utilized. It focuses on creating systems and workflows to ensure data quality, reliability, and accessibility for various data-driven tasks and decision-making processes. Technically, data engineering is the field of designing, constructing, and maintaining systems and processes that enable the collection, storage, processing, and analysis of large volumes of data. It involves transforming raw data into formats suitable for analysis, enabling data-driven insights and decision-making. Having known the fundamentals of data engineering, let us focus on how to become a data engineer. You might have to go through a few simple steps. Do it one by one. Firstly, you will have to learn the fundamentals of data processing, develop database skills, dive into big data technologies, platforms, learn data warehousing, acquire streaming data skills, master workflow management, enhance data visualization, gain experience through projects, and finally, stay updated and continuously learn. So, this is the roadmap or the 10 important steps that you need to go through to become a successful data engineer. Let's quickly discuss the prerequisites and skill sets that you need to possess to become a data engineer. So, prerequisites and skills that are required for a professional to become a data engineer. To become a data engineer, there are several prerequisites, and the ones you should consider are proficiency in programming. Strong programming skills are crucial, especially in languages commonly used in data engineering, such as Python, Java, and Scala. Next, knowledge of databases. Familiarity in RDBMS and understanding DBMS design principles is essential. Additionally, knowledge of NoSQL databases is beneficial. Followed by that, we have data manipulation and transformation. Understanding data transformation processes, data cleaning techniques, data manipulation techniques such as ETL is essential for data engineering tasks. Followed by that, we have cloud platforms. Proficiency in cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, and GCP is increasingly essential, as many data engineering tasks are performed in the cloud environment these days. Finally, data visualization. Familiarity with data visualization tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and effectively presenting data insights is an advantageous step you need to have. While these prerequisites provide a strong foundation, it is important to remember that practical experience and hands-on projects are equally valuable in developing the necessary skills for a successful career as data engineer. Now, let us discuss the important steps to become a data engineer. First one, fundamentals of data processing. Understanding basic concepts of data management, databases, and SQL is important. Try to familiarize yourself with programming languages like Python and Java. And lastly, learn ETL, extract, transform, load, process, and tools, and explore data ingestion, data cleaning, and data quality techniques. Next, we have develop database skills. Mastering relational databases, for example, MySQL, PostgreSQL is important. Learn NoSQL databases like MongoDB and also try to ingest some time for preparing some use cases on them so that you have a good understanding of these DBMS tools. Next, dive into big data technologies. Gain proficiency in big data technologies like Apache Hadoop and its ecosystem. Learn Apache Spark and large-scale data processing and big data analytics. Next ahead, we have to explore the cloud platforms. Acquiring knowledge on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud is a must. Understand cloud-based data storage, processing, and analytics services. Proceeding ahead, we have warehousing. Repeat. Proceeding ahead, we have data warehousing. Familiarize yourself with data warehousing concepts and tools. Understand data modeling techniques for building efficient data warehouses. Proceeding ahead, we have workflow management. Explore workflow management tools, for example, Apache Airflow, Luigi for orchestrating data pipelines, and understand job scheduling and automation. Proceeding ahead, we have enhanced data visualization. Learn data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, develop skills to communicate data insights effectively, and then gain experience through projects. Apply your knowledge by working on real-world data engineering projects. Build a portfolio showcasing your skills and accomplishments. And then, stay updated and learn continuously. Keep up with evolving technologies, frameworks, and best practices. Participate in online communities, attend webinars, and follow data engineering blogs. And next important step. Many of you might have a question. How much time would I take, or how much time should I dedicate to become a data engineer? So the answer is 3 months is minimum time required to become a data engineer. However, you may have to take around 3 to 6 months to excel in the profession if you're a beginner taking hands-on courses or boot camps. Moving ahead, let's focus on the firms dependent on data engineers. So the firms dependent on data engineers are tech-based organizations, financial organizations, healthcare sectors, transportation and logistics, government and public sectors. Let's discuss the dependency of each one of these in a bit more detail. Firstly, technology. Technology companies including software firms, cloud service providers, and startups require data engineers to handle large-scale data processing, data integration, and building data infrastructure. Moving ahead, we have finance. Financial institutions such as banks, insurance companies, and investment firms need data engineers to manage and analyze vast amount of financial data. Next, healthcare. Healthcare organizations rely on data engineers to manage patient records, process medical images data, and extract insights for clinical research and predictive analytics. Followed by that, we have transportation and logistics. The transportation and logistics industry leverages data engineering to handle logistics data, optimize routes, and improve supply chain management. Lastly, government and public sector. Government agencies use data engineering to manage and analyze data related to public services, transportation, urban planning, and public health. Now, the most important topic of today's session, that is salary of a data engineer. The salary of a data engineer in America can vary based on the factors such as industry, experience, and specific company. However, data engineers generally command competitive salaries due to the high demand for their skills. According to salary data from reputable sources, the average annual salary of a data engineer in the United States of America ranges from $90,000 to $150,000 per annum. Coming into India, data engineers in India receive competitive salaries given the growing demand for their skills. According to industry experts, the average salary of a data engineer in India ranges from 6 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum. Now, the companies hiring data engineers. There are many companies that are actively hiring data engineers on a day-to-day basis. Some of the top big companies are Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Apple, Netflix, IBM, and Oracle. Now, the most important question. Should you wish to become a data engineer, then how can MindMajix help you become one? If you're an aspiring data engineer or a professional who elects to switch careers with data engineering and looking for perfect online training and certification, then the MindMajix Azure Data Engineer Certification Program should be the right choice. For more details on this course, head straight to the homepage and search for Azure Data Training and Certification Program, or simply click on the course link in the description box below. And with that, we have reached the end of this video. Should you have any queries or concerns regarding any of the topics discussed, please do let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be more than happy to help you get through. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from MindMajix.